Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, now I'm going to Padang Panjang City, and I want to show you what is unique from Padang Panjang City and the culinary and anything else. So don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Alright, before we go to Padang Panjang City, actually on the market, we have to use this. Okay, I'm ready. So let's go! Padang Panjang is known as the city of rain. Don't forget to bring a jacket when you visit Padang Panjang.
The city of Padang Panjang is one of the many facilities with the smallest area in the province of West Sumatra, Indonesia. The city has the nickname as the city of veranda of Mecca, and is also known as Akib Van Andalas. Padang Panjang have area of 23 kilometers or only 0.5% of the total area of West Sumatra. However, the locations of Padang Panjang City is a strategic positions on the regional route between Padang City and Bukit Tinggi City and between Sarawak City and Bukit Tinggi City. These strategic locations make the city of Padang Panjang crowded because it's on the main route connecting cities in West Sumatra. The trading activity keep on skirming. Currently, Longfield to be produced trading center or agriculture in West Sumatra for related distributions to various areas such as Riau, Jambi, Bengkulu, even to Medan and Batam. With the strategic positions as a transit city, the city government Padang Panjang focus on the trade and service sector and increase their per capita income. Culinary is tourism that never ending in Longfield. Continuous development continually carried out in the city. Padang Panjang has stringent development of sector other supporters. One of them is the industrial sector. Climate cool city and positions the strategic one is very suitable for industrial development super products such as product mill, snack, craft, leather, sewing, and embroidery. Predicate as education, city, and culinary destination in West Sumatra make market for the industry wide open. Industries this is main support Padang Panjang City tourism long. Government policy city to develop the industry opens wide investment opportunities for capital owners to invest in the city Longfield. In this building, there are three entries. The first entry in the first floor, the second entries in the second floor, and the third entries in the third floor. The first floor usually selling fresh food like vegetables, and the second floor they're selling clothes, and the third floor they're selling clothes and cosmetic and anything else. Alright, let's see what people selling on the second floor. It's early in the morning. So in the second floor, they are selling clothes, shoes, bag, uniform. So in the second floor, they are selling clothes, jacket, and other. So it's early in the morning, and many people still closing their store, and just several people open their store. Alright guys, because I am in the second floor in this building, it sells for clothes, shoes, and now I'm going to the first floor in this building. It's for vegetables, chips, and anything else. So let's go. You can buy cheap, you can buy fresh vegetable in morning. Alright guys, now I'm going to the first floor in this place. So it's especially selling food, fruit, and vegetables that is fresh. So if you want to buying fresh vegetables or chips or anything else, so come this place, okay? So if you want to buy something in this market of center of Padang Panjang, if you think that things is expensive, you can negotiations about the price. So it's still fresh and the cheap is delicious cheap. There are also exit place for each building.
Okay, now I'm going to the rooftop or the third floor. Alright, in the third floor, they are selling clothes, they are selling toys and anything else. So let's see.
Okay, the third floor, they are selling toys, they are selling clothes too, but the difference is they are selling about cosmetic. So on the third floor, you can sit down if you're tired, and there are kindergarten for your child if you bring child. On the third floor, you can see a little of Padang Market, like a restaurant, parking lot, and many people walking around. Let's hear morning atmosphere in Padang Market. Padang Market is clean market.
There's a lot of people. There are parking lot.
Now I'm going to show you one of the famous mosque in Padang Panjang City or Padang Panjang Market. There is a mosque that name is Masjid Raya Jihad. In Padang Panjang, there is one famous food. The name is Parageda Jagwang. The taste is spicy and sweet. So if you want to go to Padang Panjang City, there are a lot of hotels, so you can get rest then. The name of the hotel is Hotel Hasiba Bungalow Indah, and there is a lot of educations in Padang Panjang City. For example, like SMKN 1 Padang Panjang and then Serambi Mekah Boarding School. Padang Panjang Mini Park has the beauty with its cool air today. This place is located in Padang Panjang City Center, which is 200 meters from the culinary market. Not only on holidays, many local people and immigrants come here just for a moment to unwind while relaxing and chatting with peers.
Okay, I'm in the part of Padang Panjang City. It's located before we enter in the Padang Panjang Market area. So the park is quite big, and there is a lot of people who can sit down. Actually, in this part there are place to sit down or just sit down in the ground.
M. Safei Building is one of the oldest buildings in Padang Panjang City. According to the story, this building has its own historical value. Safei Buildings has interesting photo spots such as clocks from various countries, seat accompanied by shady trees and small gardens around it. Parking lot. Safei Building also accepts wedding rentals. This park is adjacent to Safei Building. It has facilities such as seats, a garden, trash can, always crowded with people who want to rest for a while. The Islamic Center Padang Panjang not only functions as a place of worship, the Islamic Center is also a means of education and community tourist destination from within and outside the region. The Padang Panjang City Government West Sumatra prepared promotion staff for Islamic Center as a religious tourist destination and Islamic education through print and electronic media. The Islamic Center has been known to the public. The location will be the goal of carrying out worship, giving Islamic education and religious tourism destinations. Promotional steps were carried out after the Padang Panjang City government visited the Sunda Kelapa Grand Mosque at 22. May 23, 2019 to find a producer and manage structure organization that can implement in the Islamic Center. This Islamic Center is working apart from being a place of worship as well as education facilities and community tourism destination from inside and outside the area. Islamic Center is also expected to be able to grow beyond that. Islamic Center is located in Kotokatiak village and start opening on February 2018. Expected contractions become an icon for Padang, long nickname to port Mecca and support religious activities. Islamic Center has 4 towers soaring and right left with 1 dome main and 4 small domes. The main room of the mosque consists of 2 floors with selections cool color, not only serve as mosque. Islamic Center Padang Panjang, the lake has been made as a religious center Islam, economic empowerment, conventions hall, library, education park, and many other routine activities. Since its inaugurations, Islamic this center is never lonely visitors, not only for perform prayers, but also in options religious tourism and the locations of the ceremony and marry. Documentation Center and Cultural Information Minangkabau (PDIKM). In PDIKM, more than 3,000 documents have been collected all about Minangkabau in good form book reproductions, manuscript, newspaper clippings, photographs, as well as microfilm. PDIKM itself aims to provide information about culture in Minangkabau and collect various kinds of literature and audio documentation and visual, such as recording various traditional events in the form of films and videos, record song traditional to make duplicate musical instrument traditional. About Minangkabau Cultural Documentation Information Center, or commonly abbreviated as PDIKM, is located in the sub-district of Selayang, Padang Panjang Barat District, Padang Panjang City. PDIKM has been found various kinds of informations and collections of Minangkabau culture in the form of audio and visual documentations, and draw the documents about Minangkabau culture with Minangkabau people themselves. Bustano Arifin, former Minister of Cooperative of the Republic of Indonesia during the New Order, took the initiative to establish a non-profit institutions in the form of containers to collect various documents and information about culture. Set up a container named the Culture Documentation Center and Information Center. On August 8, 1988, was launched at the first stone as a site of the document. About facilities in PDIKM is complete, such as toilet, restaurant, rest area. There is also an opportunity to wear traditional Minangkabau clothes. And if you want to hear the history of Minangkabau or culture of Minangkabau, PDIKM House there is a tour guide. Night Culinary Market. Longfield Teas Padang Panjang Night Culinary Market contains a various types of food and drink delicious that you may not find in midday. Padang Panjang has been known as a lover's paradise culinary. Culinary in Padang Panjang may be just found in another city in West Sumatra province. Well, but what makes culinary Padang Panjang is different is good taste and portions is quite large. In the center of Padang Panjang City, at night there are a market whose contains are various types of food that you may not find in the daytime, like bubur champion, martabak kubang, peanut sauce chicken satay, sweet martabak, fried tofu, various rice fry, and anything else. called Culinary Night because this market opened at 5 o'clock afternoon to midnight. While the visitors enjoy eating, they too can feel the cool air night city of Padang Panjang. It's located in the city center in near Anas Karim Field, so it's easily to access from all the directions. Vehicles for wheel or wheel you can directly park in the night culinary center area. For user visitors to wheeled vehicles, yes, the vehicle in front of the merchant stall food. Food that can be found at the culinary market pampered to the tone with delicious taste, price affordable, make visitors become addicted and want to come back again.